Ducks, you're gonna have a good day. It's full of rain out here. Finding worms already. They made their door a little more closed today, so hopefully it'll keep some of the rain out. Good morning, everyone. It's really rainy out here, so I would stay in the coop unless you need a drink. It looks like they're taking my advice because no one's coming out. Good morning, everyone. Ooh, these sides still sleeping. Good morning. Good morning, Atley. It's raining out there. Good morning, Bridgett. Had a feeling we'd have to look for chicken feed. I know, I'll get the barn cleaned up later. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Oh, get your scratch. Ember, are you not feeling the rain? Go on out and get yourself a bath. Harlow's being big. You going back to bed? Thinking about it? She finally decided to go. Good morning, my little messy bunnies. Good morning, honey. Besides a really good cleaning, the only thing the bunnies needed this morning was more water, so I gave each of them more water. Good morning, Molly. Why are you being so grumpy with everyone? It's raining pretty good, but these cows don't seem to mind. They're just enjoying their hay. Have a good day, girls. Richard and Frisker are getting some snuggles from Launa this morning. We got Felicity's area clean. Her bedding's changed and fresh hay, so I think she's pretty happy. We did the same with Molly and Hallie, so they're good to go until bedtime. And then Honey's area is all clean now too. He also got new litter and hay, but he seems to be more interested in eating his pellets that we just refilled. Have a good day, buddy. We got the stalls all ready for bedtime, and I swept the barn. Now I have to be able to get this wagon out without the cows getting in. Atley, no ma'am. I'm coming with the wagon. These girls are eating out of the wagon that I just brought out. That's gross, girls. Harlow, are you watching a wrestling match? I caught you, girls. I like it when you're nice to each other. Everybody knows you're the queen, Atley. Are you girls just playing? Cleaning her. Oh. All right, Dwayne, we're gonna get your coop clean, okay, buddy? Honey, I like to see you up there. Is that a cool new thing to stand on? Out of the mud? Here's what we're starting with. The coop's now clean. Now we'll look for some eggs. Esmeralda's first, and the duck egg that I already picked up. Looks like someone ate an egg today. All right, guys, let's get your coops ready for bedtime. Hi, Felicia. Here's what we're starting with. And here's my little helper. Thanks, Felicia. The coop's cleaned up. Now we'll collect some eggs. I also am seeing that we need to refill the feed, so I'm gonna do that next. We got their food filled up, and they're pretty excited about it. Girls, I'm getting ready to go fill up your feed. Ready to go back into the run? You ornery little chickens. Come on. Good job, girls. Let's go in. Come on. Come on. Oh. Well, apparently we're letting everyone out right now. I bet they'll come back in when they hear me putting their food in. I got their food full, and I was wrong. None of them cared. But I'll let them stay out a little while. The chickens heard me get out their feed to call them back into the coop. Or I guess to the run. Make me fall over you. I just wiped out over the stump. Sorry, chickens. Come back. They all were coming. Chickens, look! Come on! They didn't even care that I fell down. Come on! There we go, come on. Just a second, Nugget. I'll get you some. Come on, chickens. Gonna try and walk the rest of them back in without getting more feed. Good job, guys. Go on in. Go on in. Oh, Brahma. Go on in. All right. There you go. The cows are finally dried off. And now it's starting to sprinkle, so we're gonna go ahead and hurry up and get them in before they get too wet for the night. Good job. Good girl, Ember. Now that's not a good girl. Bridgett. Honey, are you ready for your bedtime treat? That's a big one tonight. Here you go, Molly. Don't mark it. Take it, goofball. Alright, there's yours, Molly. Here you go, Felicity. You're gonna take it? There's yours. Hallie, you want this one? I have a feeling Molly's being rude to everyone. Molly! Maybe I need to separate Molly into Felicity's cage and put Felicity with Hallie. I'm not sure. Here you go. Want it? Alright. There you go, girls. Be nice to each other, please. I startled these girls so much earlier that they are not walking in with only my help, so they even came out to help me get them in. Thanks, girls. Hello, Frisker. Richard, I just saw you out here. Why'd you run away? Hello, Richard. Are you out here eating? Frisker, are you being nice to it? It rained majority of the day, so we didn't get to spend much time with the animals. But now they're all tucked in and have had their treats. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.